Hi, this is Joël Meyer. Let's recycle plastic bottle caps and create a checkers game. Start by printing each grid twice and then cut out the 4 grids. Glue the 4 grids together with scotch tape to form the complete checkerboard. The checkerboard consists of 10 squares by 10 squares, which means 100 equal squares which are alternately light and dark. I collected caps of different sizes and colors and chose the ones I had the most to form the checkerboard pieces. You need 20 clear caps and 20 dark caps to use as game pieces, which are called checkers or men in this game. Because I had a lot of white caps and blue caps, I decided that I would use those 2 colors. The checkerboard is placed so that the square at the bottom left of each player is black. Place the caps on both sides of the checkerboard on the black squares only. In this way, you should get 4 rows of men on either side of the checkerboard. So before the start of the game, there are always 2 empty rows in the middle of the board that separate the 2 sides. You are now ready to start a game. The rules say that the white pieces make the first move. The piece moves only 1 square at a time. The men move forward diagonally onto a free square. The only exception is when a man captures a piece of the other player by jumping over it. When a man reaches the last row of the checkerboard, it becomes a king. To clearly mark the difference between a man and a king, place another man of the same color on the man that arrived on the last row. It's not easy to fit 2 caps on top of each other, so I replaced the cap with a slightly higher white container. If you want to stick 2 caps together to form a king, you could use a repositionable, reusable adhesive like Patafix. The advantage of having a king is that it can move as many squares as it wants in any direction, but always diagonally like the man. Have fun with the checkers game. When you have finished playing, fold the checkerboard and put it with the game pieces in a plastic bag. For a classroom, you can create an activity center with several checkers games. In the document, you will find the grids to make the game you prefer. To print the document with the checkerboard of your choice, click on the link below the video and visit the Anima Place website where you will find hundreds of other fun and creative projects.